Hi, this is Paul the Pipe Guy live from Rochester, New York. I got this beautiful solid brass pipe lighter from eBay. It's made by Zippo in Bradford, PA. It comes with a lifetime guarantee. I was a little disappointed. You probably can't see that, but across the front of it, it says solid brass. If you're going to make something out of solid brass, in my opinion, you advertise it that way. You don't print it across the front of the lighter, or maybe you put it on the bottom, solid brass. So I want to do a comparison of this pipe lighter, which is different from a regular Zippo because it has kind of a little cap on the top and it's got holes running through. And I don't know, I was a little disappointed in it versus a Bic lighter. Maybe I need to adjust this wick a little bit. I don't know, but let's do the comparison right now. This won't be a long video, so I have my pipe here. I light the lighter up. It looks like that, and I guess now that I've adjusted the wick, excuse me, I've been coughing a lot all night lately. Part of the day. Hope the old COVID virus hasn't got me. Now that I've adjusted the wick, I'm a lot more happy with this. But prior to that, I've been using regular Bic lighters, which the flame seems to reach much further down. Although, now that I did a little adjustment on the wick, where I kind of centered it in that circle, it seems to work much better. So I'm still not happy about where it says solid brass across the front of it right there. So I do work at a sheet metal shop. I'll probably polish that off. And I collect Zippos too. I don't have a lot of them. I probably only have about 15 of them. Anyways, this is Paul the Pipe Guy, and the comparison between my solid brass Zippo, which I love Zippos, and my Bic lighter in lighting a pipe. Anyway, folks, it's January 2nd, 2021. Happy pipe smoking, pipe smokers. This is Paul the Pipe Guy. Over and out.